Hello and welcome to another How To Bloke. This time I'm not cooking, which is a relief. Anyway, we're going to talk about this crash helmet of mine. I've got two of these helmets here. They're old ones, and this is the best helmet I've ever bought for durability and comfort. I can wear this all day long. There's no problem. Other ones I've had have not been successful in there. They've hurt a bit. Anyway, let's rattle on with this. This particular one is a model number is an NR-3 Arai NR-3. They're not around anymore. I don't think they're made anymore. But today I'm going to show you how to remove the visor and to clean the ears here. These things here. Now the reason I'm doing this video is I've tried to find. A friend of mine has got the same helmet, and he asked me the question. He said he couldn't find anything on YouTube, so I thought, well, there must be a few of these still around. So I thought I'd do one on how to take the visor off. So I don't think this mechanism is this mechanism here is made anymore. Maybe it is. I don't know. I'm not hugely a helmet fan. It's just. It's not something I'm particularly interested in, but it's you can see this one's missing bits here and bits there, so it's a bit old really. I shouldn't really use it because it's so old, but that's not the purpose of this. So to take the visor off, without further ado, to take the visor off, we need to get in these, I call these the ears, and what we're going to do is got to find that red, there's a red little tab in there. I don't know if you can see that. There's a red tab in there, you see, and what we've got to do is press that with a flat bladed screwdriver, just like that. Okay, and then what we got to do is kind of jiggle it that way. And that was, wait, we'll put the visor down. There it goes. Right, you do the same with the other one. So you have to have the visor up before you can get at it. So the visor up, like that. You press that red tab there, put the visor down again, and then you jiggle it that way. Now don't go too bad with this because you might break the plastic there. There's the ear coming off there. With it, when it was new, well, the other one I've got, it comes off really easily. This one's a bit sort of worn. Anyway, so then your visor will come off like that, which is great because then you can get some soap and water on there. Don't use anything abrasive, just the soap and water on there. Clean off all the bug splats and other stuff, and you can put it back on again. Now here on the side here, what you can do is probably all this one I just cleaned up just a few moments ago, but here is all kind of like black and dirt and dead flies and all this sort of thing. So what you can do is get an old toothbrush, not the one you're using, an old one, and with soap and water. Don't use anything with petroleum based products on here, or any you don't need to use anything aggressive. Just use some liquid soap or something on an old toothbrush and just work it around and clean it up, and just gently hold it under the tap there, just with a dribble tap, and it just fall away like that. And do the same on the other side. Now before you put it back, once you've cleaned the visor, you can still buy these, by the way, these NR-3 visors. They're not cheap though. Once you've cleaned it all up, it's a good idea to give it a little bit of a lube. Now this is silicone oil. It's not oil as in petroleum oil, like something out of a spray can that doesn't say silicone. This is silicone oil, and what you need to do, you can buy this at a motorcycle dealership, is you need to kind of lubricate the bits, lubricate this plastic spring here, just a little dab there, a little bit, and a little bit in the groove there, anywhere where the visor turns, a little bit there, don't put too much on it, for the simple reason is that when you if you smother it with silicone, and you're going along, and when you flip the visor up like that, it has a tendency not to keep dropping all the time. So you don't want to put too much lube on there, just enough to keep it, you know, so the movement is smooth. So you've got that clean, which is great. Your helmet's got a kind of cleanish. I can't do nothing about the dents and scrapes in here. I don't want to respray it or anything. I like it as it is, rustic. Right? Anyway, so we're going to put the helmet back. Now these areas are handed. So what we're going to do now, the procedure is different when you put it back. I'll show you how. These ears are handed, and what you've got to do is you've got this little notch here has got to connect into that hole there, just like that. So put the top in first, like that, just like that, and then gently tap it down so it's firm on there. You can't get it off now. Let me go and pick the other one off the floor. Pick the other one off the floor. The same thing goes with this one. So that's the little tab on the top there. Don't worry about these tabs. That's because they click in. But this one here is important. So you stick it on the top like that, and it's like flap it like that, right? And then that's in. So they're not going anywhere. Look, see? They're quite firm. Now you get your visor. Make sure it's the right way. Don't put it like that because that's upside down. Put it like that. And what we're going to do is we're going to insert it just like that. Let's do it slowly so you can see. No point me rushing this because you're supposed to be looking something to learn. So what you're going to do is going to go in like that, just like that. And the same the other side. Look. This is not always that easy getting it all back. And then kind of push it shut. Now, when you push it, lift it up again, it kind of clicks into the mechanism in the ears, and so there you have it. You see, you can't pull that. It's good, and that's how it is. Yeah, that's perfect. No, that's not gonna come off. So there we are. There's my tutorial about this particular model of Arai helmet. Is an NR-3, and I don't think this system is used anymore. It might be, I don't know, but if you've got a similar system, then perhaps or similar helmet or something like that, then may work for you. Anyway, I hope you found this this video interesting. Certainly, my friend who hasn't found a way of getting his visor off until he spoke to me, he's happy with the result. So I'll sign off for now until the next sort of DIY thing about motorbikes and stuff. Anyway, if you like the video, please subscribe, give us a thumbs up or something. Tell me if you need any other tips you want to hear about motorcycles. I do know a lot, but choosing which ones for YouTube is an enormous list. But you can subscribe up here, and you can you can subscribe down here, and you can watch other videos up here. And until next time, this is me signing off. And don't remember, always ride defensively on the roads. Bye for now.